This is the Nutribullet Juicer. To assemble, I'm going to take the juice bowl and line that curve up to attach to the base. Now I'm going to grab the rotating bowl brush and put the juice screen inside. I'm going to push it down until it snaps. I'm going to take that auger and place it inside and place the juice bowl cover on top of that. Just make sure you twist it to lock it in place. And then I'm going to add that food pusher on top. I'm going to grab that 24-ounce juice container and place it where the juice comes out of, and the pulp container to go on the other side where the pulp comes out of. Now I have a little bit of celery left, so I'm going to make celery juice. Now if I wanted to juice something larger, like an apple for example, all I would have to do is open the chute at the top to make more room. I got this juicer to improve my health and wellness. I'm not a big fan of fruits and vegetables, so this has made it so much easier to consume. What I love most about this juicer is the quality of juice it produces. It's healthy and fresh and much better than store-bought juice. As you can see, this is super easy to use. It's also really easy to clean, and it's dishwasher friendly. So yeah, I'm really happy with this purchase. This was a really great buy, and I highly recommend.